What up, guys? Next day, man. Bike is home. We're home. Garage is looking a mess, but I want to check out this damage, man. I'm just glad I didn't drop the bike or nothing like that. So it's literally only the fender. But let's get it up on this jack stand and see what it's looking like real quick, man. So the whole light is done. I'm gonna need a new light. And then it looks like just this bottom piece. Not that bad, but all in all, inconvenience. All right, so it's just looking like this rear fender, the lower piece right there. The light, we got to take the fender off, take it back to Antonio and get repainted. Along with that new piece Dre has for us already. So we'll have to fish this off. I don't know when I'm going back to the city, man, but I want to keep it complete until I do take it back. So I'll probably leave this like this for a couple days. Then I can still literally ride it. I can freaking push this up here at least until we know we got everything I need. I don't know if he has the light. I know he has this piece. I don't know if he has the actual light for it as well. But if he does, then I'll head out there within the next day or two, or freaking probably just fly out there, throw the fender in the bag and fly right back. That'll be easiest, but you know how it goes, man. So I don't know. We shall see, man. If it wasn't freshly painted, I wouldn't even trip off this fender right here. I really wouldn't if it wasn't freshly painted. But man, I didn't even get no for sale pictures or nothing. So it gotta be right, man. So I did zip tie this light back under there because I need this little device right here, or this light, to operate these tail lights. So zip tied that under there. Also made a little trim up in there, so this is not gonna touch the tire. It's not gonna move at all. Yeah, I love the drill. You guys know I like wrecking stuff, but it is what it is. Got all the lights to work now. I'm gonna mount these bags back up, and I want to ride, man. You feel me? You still got a little dingo right there, but you know, it is what it is, man. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. Rolling. Them little legs good. All right, so I got it pulled out. Got the bags back on there. Definitely need that lower light piece, but you know, it'll do for now. Just looks like a huge gap right here, like a whole hand. This side is obviously smaller, but over here is huge. But I mean, it's working, running and driving, so I can't complain. Still got the fresh paint on there, and we only need 2 things painted, so we don't got to get a whole repaint. So I guess it worked out, man. I guess it worked out. Let's see. I really want to go ride right now, to be honest with you. Next day here, got the bags and everything back on. Got that light zip tied under there away from the tire, so that's not moving. I'm about to head down to BBV to see if they got a tri-light for the rear fender right there, as well as my freaking brake keep getting stuck, so they're gonna fix that because I remember they took it off, so they're gonna have to fix that really quick. But let's hop on this bike and get down here, dog. This is the CVO? Oh, wow. Damn. Got the heated grips on there. I like that dash on it. 117. Oh, yeah, this color is pretty nice. Yeah. How many colorway? Yeah. Then you look at the front. Yeah, it does look like a faded purple. Does look really good. I dig it. Wow. Yeah, these wheels are sick. The chrome is hitting. Yeah, I can dig it. What they want for this, like 40, 45?
50, yeah.
52? Yeah, are you able to turn on the gauge so just I can see how it pops up? Oh, we might need the key. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that thing looks good. Dang, looks super high definition. I wonder if I can put these gauges in my StreetGlide. We got another freaking fly bike here. Now this is hard. Look at the little oil trimming right there. Black with the red. Whew. Is these like diamond cut floorboards? Got gold pipes on there. That's real different. I ain't seen that before. Yeah, he hard. Yeah, he definitely hard. I like it. Got the Corbin seat on there. I think it's pretty fly. Yeah. That seat is everything. Fuck. I'm digging it.
Nigga 49, last one for your bitch. She been getting out of line. She been getting out her body. She done turned second gang whip into a hobby. Go ahead and try to push me. When I was locked up, the only time they fucked me. Young fly niggas, you would think we sound like Luigi. I wrote it up in the county nigga pussy. The only thing you roll up over here is these cookies. I want some agents throwing up the same shit as Tookie. You want 'em, I got 'em. Dripping like water. You want 'em, I got 'em. Dripping like water.
just pulled up to BBV. So yeah, it doesn't return.
You know what? I wonder if there's too much powder coat in there.
Think so? So what you think, I just gotta loosen this fucking bolt or something, or what?
Yeah, loosen it or
Right.
take it back off and ground out that powder coat. But it could be getting wedged. Oh, geez.
Yeah, so I have to fucking zip tie the light up there because it's still, I wouldn't be able to use this without plugging this up.
Yeah.
So, but I already got the other little piece, the whole fender piece. I just need the light now.
Gotcha.
So we'll see, man. So I just made it back to the house, and Harley was trying to charge me like $135 for that light. I found it on eBay for $45. So I'm gonna be waiting for that. Like I said, Dre's already got the other little piece, and then once we go to LA, dang, you crashing? Watch where you going. Once we go to LA, we'll just take the fender off, but I don't want to just take the fender off the Harley and have that thing just sitting around, man. So I'm gonna wait till we head down to the city so we can put everything in the paint at the same time. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. My boy paid up. He already paid for the damages on the bike, so that's a done deal. We already ordered the light. Dre's already got the rear fender part for us. So once I head to the city, like I said, I'm going to be taking that fender off because I want to keep it as complete as can be right now. So I'm going to fish that fender off when we go to the city, get that taken care of. And then I'm looking for some Go Fast parts, man. I'm looking for cam and some other type of stuff, man. So I guess it's just time to go to the next level on this. Thanks to everybody who showed their support, man. I'm doing well. Everything is all good, man. I appreciate each and every last one of you guys for supporting me. So with that being said, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Never take your days for granted, man. Live every day to your fullest, man. Could have been a lot worse, but we still live to ride another day, man. So with that being said, I'll have to catch you guys on the next ride, man. Peace out, dog.